Hello everyone, my name is Gill and I'm here today to share with you some of the uses that I have for the peppermint essential oil. Now these cooler months I really struggle to get enough water inside me during the day. So I find that 1 or 2 drops of peppermint oil into my water bottle each day really helps me with my water consumption. I will drink a lot more. Now, just on that note, glass or stainless steel for using essential oils, do not put them into plastic bottles, okay? If I'm feeling a little bit sluggish, I will also add a couple of drops of lemon to that mix as well. So the peppermint and the lemon can go down really nicely in your water each day. Peppermint's really invigorating, and I do a lot of driving. And so I find on those long drives, sometimes I'll get a bit sleepy, and I really find peppermint's quite invigorating. So straight on, a couple of drops behind the ears, gives you a nice bit of a zing, and a little bit behind the neck and on the neck, and that really helps to keep me alert and driving safely on the roads. While peppermint is invigorating, it is also quite calming. So it is great for calming the nervous system or calming the stomach, any nausea, upset tummies. I would always put a couple of drops into a fractionated coconut oil. You can pop that straight onto the tummy, or just a couple of drops in your water and just drink it that way. Really nice and soothing. Just a note, when you're using peppermint, don't get it near the eyes or any sensitive areas. It will sting, okay? It's a really great one for calming. Last of all, I suppose, is my wonderful bliss balls. Peppermint bliss balls, a great natural alternative, really easy to make. Just a couple of ingredients, a couple of drops of peppermint oil, and they are a fantastic little snack when you have those afternoon munchies and need something a little bit sweet. A fantastic alternative. That's my daily use of peppermint oils, and I hope you go out there and enjoy using yours today. Thank you.